Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G52, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So let's just open again Muviz Edge application, and now just we have selected the stem. Let's just switch it to this one, for example. Click here to apply. We can switch the background, so the stem, for example, this one. We can change the music controls time, show time after 10 seconds, or just don't hide them. We can show, just turn on or turn off to show the incoming notifications from different apps. We can show or turn off the date and the battery status always while device charging, or just to don't show the battery status. So let's click here on the 6 icon and switch AUD to settings section. Now just tap to the always on display. Here we can also switch show always on display on the lock screen always while device charging and when we'll play the music. Also we can use these two features separately, so let's just use always. We can switch it here, the also screen timeout from 1 minute to 1 hour. We can decrease and increase the brightness level, and we can close the AD by double tap or by single tap on the lock screen. Also we can close it with a fingerprint if you have just set it up, your fingerprint here to the scanner on the power key button on the right side of your device. And also we can here use the shadow. We can set the start and the end time to use always on display feature. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.